Hello everyone, let me give you my autumn update for my gardening. As you can see, they are looking not so bad, but some of them are dead, especially my mint at the bottom. Then coriander, so I have some bilati coriander, we call them Thai coriander, but the desi ones are gone. And then this one is in poor condition, this one dead. This is my favorite, we call them time flower in Bangladesh. So you can find them in Bunnings, they are in multicolor. So I love them as well. They are not smelly, but they're in good color, also in multicolor. So my jasmine is also looking good and healthy. But these two, I think I need to throw them. And then my gardenia is also in good shape. There are some flower to be. And here is my rose corner. So this one is my lily, Asian lily, which I think it will not grow because it's stuck here. So I potted some tomato seeds in it, so they are growing. As you can see, these are tomatoes. My marigolds are all dead, so I feel it will not survive in winter. I need to throw them. I will wait for a couple more days. That's my joba, and that's my begun, eggplant. So and if you're wondering what are these are for mosquito killer, because we do barbecue. This is our roast pit. We do barbecue and we sit in the chair, so that's why we put this stick. These are for mosquito killing. So you put oil inside and then fire it, burn it, and then the mosquito goes away. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is my stand, which is also in bad shape. So I believe they will not survive in the winter. And let me show you my chili corner. That's my pet house, chicken house. I have 2 chicken right now. This is spinach, we call them pushak. This is and this is the same tree. This one is having flower and this one having no flower. And here is my chili corner. This is paprika. This is not spicy, but for flavor. So 1, 2 paprika. And this is my hot and spicy one, desi chili. They have lots of flower now. And they will be in small size. And these 2 is also desi ones. I'm potting them for my friends. So here it is. Autumn is not looking good.